In one of my earlier videos I showed you my best-selling woodworking product in my online store. In that video I told you I will be showing you how to make one. That's what we're going to do today. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you like it, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified by YouTube whenever I post a new video online. So let's go! What we will be needing today: some industrial piping, a pipe cutter, some wood, an Allen key or an hex wrench, a miter saw. Okay? Or maybe a table saw. Nope, a miter saw. So let's start out. This one has to be 22 centimeters. I have to cut this one in shorter pieces to get those together. And I have the one where the roll comes on already finished with a closing cap. So let's measure how long or what size those small pieces have to be. I'll make a guess. So that's like 2 centimeters. So it falls behind this Allen screw or hex screw, or I don't know how you call it in English. So 2 centimeters for that one. Then all the way through this one, 4 centimeters. And then into this one, let's say 3. So that's 2, 3, 4. So that's 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. So that's one. Oh my god, it's the wrong one. Nope. Yes. Okay. First, this one. So it's a little bit too small. So I guess we could have made it 10 centimeters also. Okay. So this one will go here, will come against the wall, and the wooden plate will come up here. Okay. So that means this one has to go like this. Or like this. Now it's better. So then we can put this one in. Let's see the text. Those industrial piping always come with text printed on it. At least at some part of the tube. But it's not on this one, so it's also always good. Let's see. Like this. Make sure to keep it up a little. It's a little bit flimsy right now. Just push it up so that the toilet roll won't come off when it's hanging level. So like this. Okay, almost ready. So now we need a small one again. So it's like 2.5. Let's say 2 centimeters. This one was 3, so that's 5 centimeters. Okay, so it's not level right now. Let's level it a little bit. Hard to see. Something like this. Yeah, that's level enough. Perfect. So this one needs to be 22 centimeters. So 22, that's over here. As you can see outside, it's getting a little bit dark, so I can't make much noise anymore. But I don't need to, because all the sawing and the noise making is finished. Put it like this. It's better to keep this part overhanging on the wood, because this part is coming against the wall, the wood isn't. This part is the most important. Well, that's about right, I think. Okay, I got these little screws and I'm going to be mounting them on there. There. Let's do it. So there's no easy way to do this. It's hard to get there with a screwdriver, but just... So the hardest place to reach is the fastest one to go in. Well, and that's the finished product. No, it's not. I have to sand it. Almost forgot. Be right back. So because it's a robust product, it's industrial, you don't have to sand it all the way down. Just the splinters of it, so you can't hurt yourself. That's just fine. And that's a finished product. So as I told in my other video, I keep selling these over and over again. This is my best selling product. It's very easy to make actually. There's not much woodworking to it. It's only sewing this part to size, so easy to make. So that's about it for this video. I will be sending this to my customer because it's actually being made now for a customer. So if you like my videos, if you like my channel, please subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell. If you got any comments, if you got any requests, if you want to ask me something, post it in the comment section below and I make sure to answer all the questions. Thanks for watching.